Hey Jasmine, my name is Daniel Bug with Digital Vortex Media, and we're a marketing agency. I happen to be doing some research in your area, and I came across your website, and I figured I'd shoot a quick video on 3 things you can do today to start beating your competition online. I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want to waste mine either, so if by the end of this video you'd like to know more about how Digital Vortex Media can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Take the tips I've given you and put them into action yourself, and all I ask is that you give me some feedback on this video if you don't mind. So let's get into it. The 3 things that I want to show you today are content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing, content. That's basically everything that you see on this front page. I think I actually clicked out of it. That's basically everything that you see on this front page. That's including the pictures, where the pictures are saved as, and what's behind the pictures. So a good example of that would be, I think these are, nope, these are links. Good example of that would be, let's say this one, go with this one. So if you save the image as, see it's saved as headshot. So you want all of your images, if possible, to be saved as keywords. So, just Rios law group, or, so one of the services that you offer, immigration attorney, something like that. Basically you want it saved as a keyword. So second, Google likes for a page to have 1,500 words of content to be optimized for Google searches. So y'all have about 700 words, which is good. But the key thing here is making sure that you have enough unique, relevant, high-quality content on the home page to add in those keywords or key phrases that people are searching for that are specific to your services in order to help you guys get found on Google. Otherwise, it's a very nice page, nice looking page. I would just recommend making sure those images are optimized, as well as adding in that additional content to your page, and then you'd probably be good to go. So the next thing that I want to show you are citations. So here you see that I've searched Attorney Killeen Tx, and this first part, basically this whole section is sponsored ads that Google are, that people are paying Google to be on. But studies show that ads are only semi-effective and can definitely become a money pit if ads aren't set up correctly or, just are ineffective. So the next visible thing that I want to show you are, the visible section is the Google Map Pack or Maps. And so Google ranks businesses according to citations that are listed in directories. So citations are name, address, and phone numbers that are listed in directories such as Yellow Pages, White Books or White Pages, LinkedIn, and Facebook even has an area where you can submit it as a citation. So what I want to show you here is I use this tool called WhiteSpark to pull what citations that you have. So this is the Rios law group, and y'all have about 12 citations. And these are some of the ones that y'all have listed: Facebook, Yelp, BBB, MapQuest, Chamber of Commerce, and so forth. So as you see here, y'all are ranked number 5 on this, I believe so. So these two don't count because these are also sponsored; they're paid. So then y'all are ranked 5th. Yeah, so there y'all are. So you see that the law offices of Gregory K. Simmons is in the number 1 spot for this Google Map Pack. So when we go over to their citations, they have about 20 citations, and these are all of the ones that they're using. The good news is these are all laid out so that we can go and submit for yourself as well. The key here to beat your competition by a landslide is having about 200 to 300 citations so that you can cover the areas that you want to focus on. So if you want to do just Bell County or branch out, in a certain radius, that is something that we can help out that you want to have as well with those 200 to 300 citations. So the next thing that I want to show is backlinks. So back to this Google search. As I mentioned, y'all have Attorney Killeen Tx as the this is Google search that I looked up. So you see here, this is your organic traffic. So this right here is essentially a directory website. So this one doesn't really count. So Corbin Stapler and Clapper Attorneys, they're your number 1 competitor, and in this search, y'all are 27th in organic traffic, I believe. Yep, there we are. Okay, so Google uses what's called backlinks or link juice to rank the businesses or websites accordingly in this. And so link juice, simply put, is when site A is pointing to site B, and therefore site A is acting like the link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have this one, Killeen Lawyers, compare your top attorneys. If you have that linking to you, you have that as a backlink. That'll be more effective than if you had like a pizza place or some other like blog that mentions your website as a backlink. Even though it may be a reference, Google doesn't see it as such. Google looks for sites that are relative to your business in order to kind of gain that authority. So a tool that I want to show you here is called Ahrefs. And so this is y'all, the Rios Law Group. Y'all have about 23 backlinks and about 20 clicks per traffic, and that's per month. And so with your competitor, their website is Corbin Legal Team. That's Corbin Stapler. That's them. So they have about 730 backlinks and 80 clicks of traffic per month, roughly. So the good news here is all their backlinks are laid out. We can see which ones they're using, and we can kind of go after those as well if it makes sense. If it's relative and it's not something that's directly linked to their page, like the yellow pages and stuff like that, we can go after those backlinks as well. You want to beat your competition by 100 to beat them out of the number one spot, so to kind of get that authority. So in closing, we went over content, which you need at least 1,500 words of content on the home page. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat your competition by a landslide. And then link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So you can either go with this information that I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 254-669-1392. Once again, my name is Daniel Bug, and my number is 254-669-1392. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.